Did you know some private helicopters are more luxurious than five-star hotels? In 2025, the skies are ruled by these stunning flying palaces. Imagine soaring above the clouds, surrounded by soft leather, calming lights, and top-notch entertainment. Stay with us as we unveil the top 4 luxury helicopters, redefining comfort and style. Number 4. Airbus ACH-175. The Airbus ACH-175 is all about class and comfort. Its cabin is fully customizable, with premium materials and soft leather seats for ultimate relaxation. The spacious design lets you move around easily, while mood lighting adds a cozy vibe. Modern entertainment and connectivity options keep you engaged throughout your trip. With 2 Pratt & Whitney engines, it carries 12 passengers comfortably. It has a maximum range of 613 nautical miles, 1,135 kilometers, and a top speed of 151 knots, 266 kilometers per hour. This helicopter can fly for 4.5 hours, making long trips enjoyable. The price? $16.5 million for this luxurious experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury content. Number 3. Airbus H160 VIP. This helicopter is the perfect mix of elegance and innovation. Its spacious cabin features premium materials, soft leather seats, and a sleek design. Panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light and offer breathtaking views. Soundproofing keeps it peaceful, creating a serene atmosphere. Powered by 2 Safran Arano engines, it seats 12 passengers. It reaches speeds of 252 kilometers per hour, 158 miles per hour, and covers 880 kilometers, 565 miles. The cost? $22 million for this luxurious ride. Number 2. Bell 525 Relentless. The Bell 525 combines speed and luxury with its spacious, well-designed cabin. Soft leather seats and adjustable layouts ensure maximum comfort for every passenger. Large windows offer stunning views, while advanced climate control keeps the cabin cozy. Powered by 2 General Electric engines, it can carry up to 18 passengers. It reaches speeds of 156 knots, 296 kilometers per hour, and covers 580 nautical miles, 1,074 kilometers. Price? About $17 million for this incredible blend of performance and luxury. Number 1. Sikorsky S-92. The Sikorsky S-92 stands out with its high-end features and exceptional performance. Its spacious cabin seats 22 passengers in soft, elegant leather seats. The sophisticated design uses premium materials, creating an upscale vibe. Advanced soundproofing ensures a peaceful flight experience. With a top speed of 165 knots, 366 kilometers per hour, and a range of 546 nautical miles, 1,101 kilometers, it delivers both speed and comfort. Starting price? $27 million for this luxurious marvel. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out our video on the most luxurious private jets of 2025. See you there.